lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie and I post a lot of beauty related content here on YouTube and the occasional vlog. If those are the kind of videos you like, then hit that subscribe button down below. In today's video I am doing, again, we know it, another Revolution collab. However, this is in collab with one of my loveliest friends, Alix, who you might know by Makeupwithalixkate here on YouTube. I will obviously link her video down below. We are both finally getting to test the new Revolution Flawless Dolphin palette. I am so excited to test this palette just because of the packaging. Look at that. This palette is absolutely stunning and you definitely need to go and check out Alix's page because she is going to post probably the most beautiful look. She's actually filming right now as I'm filming, so we both don't even know what each other are doing. She is an amazing person, lovely personality, proper down to earth, and yeah, so you definitely need to go and check her out. So let's dive straight into this tutorial. First off, this retails for what I believe is £12. This is one of their Forever Flawless palettes and the packaging is just stunning. Like, they actually came out with a turtle one as well, which hopefully I can test soon. I know someone in my comments on my, what video was it I posted yesterday? Death by Chocolate palette did ask if I would be testing these soon, and they are getting up, and hopefully maybe I can test this one next, or I've got the new Revolution Pro Glow kind of range to test, or I've got some new bits from Relove to test. So there is a few new things to start testing. And look at the colours of this palette. It's gorgeous, and I love the fact that this is one of the first palettes where there is so many mattes in here. We have 8 mattes in here, so 8 mattes and 8 shimmers, which is unheard of for Revolution, really, isn't it? So let's just swatch this palette for you. I haven't been swatching lately, but we are going to start swatching again. I just got a bit lazy, so yeah, let's start swatching. So we got the first row and the second row right there. I didn't realise we have one more matte. This is the blue one, so 9 mattes and 7 shimmers, if my maths is correct. But look at those shimmers, they are amazing. You've got this shade up here that you can't really see, but it's like a skin tone colour. Oh, sorry, my mum's calling, I'll be back. So as I was saying, that is like a skin colour one, which isn't too bad. Then you've got orange, a deeper orange. These colours are just lovely. So these are the first 2 rows. They've all swatched amazingly. And let's swatch the last row. Alright, and now we have the last row. Sorry, my swatches went a bit awkward, but they are really lovely swatches. Again, I'm really happy with that. And I feel like because it's dolphins I should go for like blue, but then I really like the pinks in this, so I don't know, pink or blue. We'll figure it out, won't we? So I want to start off with this shade here called Coral. We're going to go a bit pink, I reckon. A lot of kickback in the pan, but it doesn't really bother me if it performs well. This shade is so pigmented, I was not ready for that. So then let's go in with the shade Wave just below that. And let's deepen it up with this brown shade here called Atlantic. I don't think I mentioned, but the dolphins are imprinted in most of the matte shades except for this kind of blue shade down here. I really like that. Let's go in with the shade Seaside, which is more of like a skin tone shade, and just clean up the crease a bit, the outer edges, just up here. What I'm going to do is keep adding a bit more of those mattes and build it up, and then we'll come back and do the lid shade. Now, because it's a collab with Alix, I had to cut my crease. I haven't cut my crease in a very long time. And take this shade Pacific and put that all over because I feel like I'm going to go for blue on the lash line. I'm really having to dig into the pan to get this shade, but once it's on the eyelid, it is beautiful. That is a stunning gold. It did take a lot of work in the pan, but once it's on there, it is lovely. Now we're going to go back in with Pacific and just deepen up the outer corner a bit. And do the other eye, complete my base, and come back when we can do the blue on the lash line and finish off the face. The rest of my base is done. Now let's go under my eyes, and I want to take the blue shade called Dolphin right under here. You know, blue used to be my go-to when I was in school. I used to absolutely love blue underneath my eyes. For the inner corner, should we go in with this shade here called Scuba Dive? I like that. Even though it kind of matches the lid shade, it's a little bit of a different tone. This is the finished look, guys. I really do love the overall look. Let's talk about some products that are on my face. So I do have the Conceal and Define in 6.5. I use my NYX Honeydew Me Up, which is right here. I love this stuff. Then I used my Really Love Super Matte Powder. I used such a mixture of blushes until I found the right tone. So first I used this blush from Sweet, which was one of the new duos. Also used the highlighter, that is what that is. And then I went in with my Barry M blush palette and used this shade down here. Still didn't feel like that was pink enough. So I went in with the new Revolution Ultra Blush in Golden Soul in this shade here. And I feel like that was the perfect shade. Then for my lips, we've got Colourpop, Bumble, Colourpop, Little Things, and the little Relove gloss from Relove in the shade Sweet. Also added the blue liner from the Black Brats collection. I feel like I've not talked enough, but my body's like, you've talked enough. Okay, so let's talk about this palette. Now, I really love this palette. £12, very affordable. The packaging is what sold me on this palette. Even the turtle palette, I had to get them just for the packaging. It is absolutely gorgeous. Like, this is the best packaging I've seen from Revolution in a very long time. The formula of the mattes was incredible. I don't know what happened with this shade, but it just didn't want to work out on my lid that well, so I really had to like scrape into it. But once I scraped into it, worked lovely on my lid. I really did love it. I love that there's more mattes in here than there is shimmers. I just love everything about this palette, and I really do love this little picture. Is my favorite. Everything blended so nicely together. The mattes are so soft. Like, mattes in some of their shadows can be a bit dry, and these mattes were really like creamy, really nice. I really liked it, and I do hope you guys have enjoyed this look. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and definitely go and check out Alix's video because I'm sure she's done an amazing look. I have had a little sneak peek because we sent each other photos of us halfway done. So yeah, definitely go and check out her look. I'm not gonna put any spoilers, but she is so talented, so go and check out her video, and I really do hope you enjoy it, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye guys.